How do you do that with your eyes? You know it gets me every time. I swear I wish I could read your mind, 'cause I ask the same question every night. So just breathe. Breathe in, breathe deep, you know that's all you need. I can't describe your eyes, but they're as blue as the sea. Your heart, it beats in perfect time with me. Baby, you know that I want mine. If we get no rest till the sunrise.
Whoa! Nice. Yes. I got the one. Wow, you are pretty.
What would I do without your eyes? The way they look at me and mine. And when your smile creates that dimple, I tend to be used as your pillow. So just breathe. Breathe in, release, you know that's all you need. I can't describe your eyes, but when they're looking at me, my heart, it beats and I can't seem to dream.
I have put that people ask me how I knew that you were the one, and I always tell them that at first, during our first hug, during our first dance.
Today, I take you to be my best friend, my partner, and my one true love. I promise to love you, comfort you, and protect you through our journey in life.
Today I look at you and I see more than just enough, more than I can ever ask for. You are patient, you are kind, you are caring, responsible, and dependent.
I vow to give you my heart and my all, my hands and my resolve to work through all the hardships.
And I promise you to love you, to take care of you.
I pledge to love you forever and to grow old together. Today, I am yours.
Your fingers are mine as they intertwine. You're telling me words unspoken. Our fingers align as they intertwine. You break my heart wide open. Your fingers are mine as they intertwine. You're telling me words unspoken. Our fingers align as they intertwine. You break my heart wide open. Baby, you know that I want mine. We get no rest till the sunrise. Until you make me fall in love again. As light shows your face, I can never be the same. I plan to love you all my life, yeah. Until you meet the chariot. Until you meet the chariot. Until you meet your chariot.